I'm telling you the worst foods to buy for breaking your budget at the grocery store. And what can you buy instead? Guys, the grocery store prices are going up like crazy. In the last year, I've seen a rise at about 50% for things like bread in my grocery store. Now, going from 80 cents to $1.32 is not going to break the bank for anyone, but it is still about, I think if my math is correct, a 50% rise in the price of bread. Well, that's significant. There are a lot of things you can cut out to help you save on your grocery bill. The first one is sodas. I am not exaggerating when I say I go to the grocery store and probably 80% of the carts have sodas in them. Guys, sodas are not a necessity at all, not even close. When we were super poor, we just didn't buy it at all. Now that we have more money, we only buy it when it's on sale for $12, something like that. Usually it's Memorial Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and the 4th of July are the times of years when those sodas go on sale. So stock up on those holidays and just stop buying sodas the rest of the year. The next one is juice boxes and juice. Yet again, I am telling you, probably 30% of people's grocery bills, at least, if not close to 50 now, is just juice. It's absolutely crazy. Juice is a treat at our house and we just do not buy it unless it's on sale, and then it's only used as a treat, not as a staple. Pre-cut vegetables. You pay big time to have those vegetables pre-cut and cleaned at the grocery store for literally saving yourself 5 minutes worth of work. Get yourself baby carrots. Celery takes just minutes to cut up. Apples take just minutes to cut up. Pre-cut fruits and vegetables are a huge waste of money, yet they are one of the top sellers in the grocery store. The next one is pre-packaged chips. This is another top seller. The little single serving sizes of chips are a huge waste of money, and yet people buy them all the time. And no, putting your chips in extra baggies is not going to cost more. It is 1 cent for the full top baggies. You do not need to worry that it's going to cost you more having to buy baggies and put the chips in. This is something the kids can do on the weekend, so just let them pre-package their chips for the week. But stop buying the pre-packaged chips. They are double, triple, quadruple the price of just regular chips, which you really don't need chips anyway. Fruit pouches and fruit cups, yes, once again, those are double, triple, quadruple the price of just buying fruit in a can. You guys, I just buy my fruit in can. I keep little half-cup containers and just pour the serving sizes in there and then throw it in my son's lunch. You can pre-package them for the week and just stack them in your refrigerator so that it's super quick and easy just to pull them out of the fridge and throw one in lunches. Keurigs. Yes, Keurigs are a huge waste of money. Now, if you just love your Keurig, just get a reusable Keurig pod that you can refill every time. But guys, the little pods are a huge waste of money. Now, if you do buy a Keurig, be sure to save those pods for spring when you can use those little pods for seed starting. But really, guys, Keurig's a huge waste of money. Just making coffee at home, literally a 2-minute job, not even 2 minutes. I mean, we're talking 30 seconds to pull your coffee out, put it into the coffee maker and turn it on. It really doesn't take a long time. Alcohol, booze, this is another huge seller at the grocery store, but people spend/waste a lot of money on booze. Cut out the alcohol and you will save calories and cut your grocery bill. Candy bars. Candy bars are another huge seller at the grocery store, and yet they are a huge waste of money. Stop spending so much money on candy bars and just go home and either buy a packet of cookies or make you some delicious homemade cookies like the ones in our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Guys, they take 5 minutes to make, 2 minutes to clean up, throw everything in the dishwasher. It really is a quick process to make cookies at home, and they are super delicious. Stop buying those candy bars because they are a huge budget buster for your grocery bill. Bottled water. What to buy instead? Tap water. Don't buy anything. 95% of the country in the United States has water that tastes just fine, and you do not need to buy bottled water. We never buy bottled water except for very rare occasions. I mean, we've maybe bought it 3 or 4 times in 30 years that we've been married. I just keep water bottles, and then we just fill it with a little bit of ice and water and take it with us. Please stop wasting money on bottled water. Everybody's so concerned about the environment, and yet they're doing things like just throwing away bottles with water when you could just be using a refillable water bottle and saving yourself time and money. If you do have really bad water, I've lived in Texas and Kansas where I had really bad water and I had to get bottled water. Get it by the 5-gallon containers, or when we lived in Kansas, my husband's work let him refill the gallon containers that we had. So there are lots of options where you don't have to buy bottles of water. Expensive granola bars. Guys, a granola bar is just a glorified cookie. It really is. Even the healthy granola bars are just a glorified cookie. Just look at the amount of sugar that's in there. So save yourself some money. Just get some regular cookies. Make yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and you'll be more satisfied than a granola bar. Make yourself some apples and peanut butter, celery and peanut butter, something like that that's easy to quickly grab and go. If you really like granola bars, we have a recipe in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1. The link is in the description below, and I'm going to give you our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 ebook for free if you use the coupon code DINING1 right now. These 10 things, cut them out and you will start saving thousands on your grocery bill every year. Visit us at livingonadime.com for these recipes and tips.